Here we are, Gerber Greatest Hits 3.0 3-piece knife set, part 2. Someone contacted us and wanted to see what they look like outside of their package. And I thought, well, yeah, why not? I should have included that in the first one. But this is what they look like. This is called the Air Ranger. Now I'm trying to do this here, hold the camera. Okay, this is called the Air Ranger. Good knife, very, very lightweight, fits good in the hand, quality steel. They all have the same steel, which I'll put that up on the screen shortly. These here are partially open, so it's easier for me. This here is the Evo Junior. It looks like you could just flip this open, but I don't think so. That's about it. That's about all we can do right here. As time goes on, wear, tear, that might loosen up. Maybe you can fix it where it's loosened up. But other than that, it's light. It's very light, very light. Next one is the pear frame. Skeleton-like knife. It's good. And all of these here are strong. The locks on them are all good. Now, the lock on this one, on the pear frame, if you look, let me see if I can get that camera right down here. Right here. You see where it comes across and holds the knife open up here. Now, right here you can see a depression. That is so it can give it some ability to bend and manipulate this bar ever so slightly, not a lot. Otherwise it would break off. I have talked to some people that they say after some heavy use and after a year or two of age, sometimes right here a crack will develop and then pretty soon the whole thing will break. And if that happens, as you can see up here by my thumb, that's what holds the knife open. So you have to keep an eye on that right there. Well, there you have it. Here's what they look like outside of the plastic. I think they're a good looking knife set. They're limited in its use, obviously. Just wherever you need a cutting tool is where they're needed. That's all there is. Alright, thanks for watching.